Hello guys. We are in here with a explanation about preserved feed for all these Kenmores. Sears Kenmore sewing machines, some collectibles, some vintage, some beautiful, working really well when you cleaning, when you maintenance there. I made a lot of videos. If you want to subscribe to my channel to find how cleaning, how work with these machines. Now I want to just to let you know about pressure fit in these Kenmores. For these Kenmores we had low chan, isn't here, you can see it's small, they come in like that, it's a little U. This is high chan and this is super high chan. I had these two in super high chan because can be this bar can be black or can be in color metal, doesn't matter, the thinness need to be in this shape like that, how it looks. And this is for the newest one, this is not on more series 385, most like a sew and embroider. About the long chan like this one that can be used also, this holder you just push here and hold what pressure food you need, but make sure before you start to work with that, make sure the pattern here of the hole and the how far is the needle go there, sometimes not working, so you need to pay attention, but you can use a holder. Now I see in the market there are another holder, no looks like this, looks different, for super high chan. I don't want to try because I like how work with these ones. This had numerous pressure fit for numerous projects we need to make, but it's up to you. The difference now about the bars, more for quilters. Quilters is the bar for the low chan looks like this, but this in a way is not for high chance, because if you see here you're looking for a bar, this bar can be connected there because you're trying to do this like this and you're going to the back, the pressure foot going to the back, it's not going to make room for that, so this is for low chan when coming like that. For super high chan, that means this one, super high chan. You see how we go like in diagonal, and that U is really different, can be confused with the high chan. The one in my left hand, this is the high chan, super high chan. You can see the difference. There are a grow here too in the middle, that's all hat. See in the black too, can see maybe in, you see how skinny is the bar, that knob. And this is skinny because when you buy the attachments, the kill bar is this one, because for put this you can push whatever part you want, and you're going to put in the presser foot like this. Pressure, and it's there. You see, and whatever presser foot, for that is in this way. Take off and put is in this way. Okay. Have like the same shape here, like here in the back. Okay. That coming numerous. It's a lot of different presser foot, like this, all had the reason to do things, hammers. You find the cards for that coming in like that. Let's say what is coming there. I can scan that and make a copy and a CD for you to find each one how working. This is really interesting cards, how they explain how use this one, the egg stitch, the gathering foot, the cording foot, the hammer, the binder, the narrow hammer. There are numerous, and all this one I show you. When you see they coming like this, you're just going to find sometimes things like this, just like that. How you going to put this there? It's impossible. So don't go into buy this just like that. You need to find the way like this. This call in the cards the adjustable holder. This holder for super high chan is this. This is the holder, and this is the key. Don't go into buy just this like that, because you can use just like that. You need this holder, and this holder sometimes people doesn't know, and they have bunch of presser feet, and you can check in the pictures when you're going to buy it coming the holder. The holder you can use like that for chains. You push, you see the screw here, so you put there in the left side and push to the right and attach in the back with that screw. And here they can be changed, so pay attention. Don't, unless you want something short like that or different kind of projects, but pay attention, the needle not going to hit here, no? So the hole go there, but it's adjustable for different kind of size you want, like that. Always when you're going to work with the presser foot, you use down, up the bar is in the back of the machine, and with your right hand push up. Before you're going to move the holder like this. This is presser foot for super high chan. For that they are so special. Push, get down the presser foot and with the hand move the thing in the back, this one in the back, push up. When you push up, it's easy to take and it's easy to put again. It's not nothing like if you had troubles for put your pressure food, it's because you don't do that. And I repeat again, I'm going to put a pressure food up a little more. You hear? Up, put there. Oh, one moment. I have my needle down. It's not good. Need to be up. Okay. Up. And it's less than, it's like a 2-3 seconds or less for doing that. For change, down the little thing in the back, up the bar, and take the pressure food. It's easy. When you're going to do with your specials, something like that, pressure food, you again up, pull the other, and pull the hook. The hook is over in the back, okay? And it's there. Now, pay attention with your hand, right hand in the hand well in the machine. Just bring the needle down and checking if this pass through the hole. If you want a little zigzag, you need just to make sure when you do that zigzag, it's not going to hit here in the size. It's going to the hole, okay? That is important about all machines pressure food. Add the bar and take your pressure food. It's important to know how to work with that, and when you're going to get something, the special attachments is like that. This come in many pressure food you can use. The super high chan, and the high chan you may be thinking is working, but super high chan is like a 1.1 inches, and this is like a 1 inch. You see, it's a little high, this one, the super high. Now, if you're thinking it's going to working with this, I tell you it's not working, because you see how it looks in this part. You see the difference? This part is more skinny, and the super high chan, this can enter there. You're going to see. I had the high chan, I'm going to put there. It's no, because the bar is bigger than this. So the high chan not going to work in super high chan. How you know what kind of machine you have? You can just down the pressure bar without pressure foot, and you can put, I had like 3 signs here. This is the 1 inch and 1, and I put there, and this is exactly here to the base and to the screw there where is going my pressure foot there. This is exactly the sign. It's around 1.1 inches. When you had a high chunk, it's a little less, you see. It's 0.1 inches. And this is the low chunk. You see how we get all that space empty? This is low chunk. And in this Kenmore, the particular, they come in like how I tell you, it's like a U in this part. It's the U here. And these ones, the low chan, they come in also like this. This is the zipper original for the low chan. You see how had different in here. Some of these can work in low chan. You can work with many of them in low chan, but remember, if you want these hammers, you need to check in coming, because this low chan Kenmore coming like that too, but need to get the holder. How I tell you in the super high chan is the same. You see the difference. Super high chan holder and low chan holder here. Different. And I hope you understand this part and all the preserved food you have. For example, this is my walking foot. I know it's super high chan because coming in new and looking how is the space here. So we can put that and see. Is the 1.1 here. The difference between high chan and super high chan is minimum. That means no worrying. If you have something like this and coming in you like that, yes, this is for super high chan. This is if you see, to see if you get the detail. What do you think? Super high chan, or low chan? You see, low chan. Looking how coming. Huh? That's it about preserved food. I hope you can continue enjoy your vintage machines with all the preserved food I have. And thank you for watch and subscribe to my channel if you want to find more interesting things about this vintage and more. Thank you guys. God bless you and continue. Pray for the world. Bye.